Dear learners, my name is Mohammad Sattar, Assistant Professor of English, HPPC Government First Grade College, Chalkere. Victorian Literature Part 2, Program BA, Subject Optional English, Semester 5th, Davangere University, Session 47. Recap: Great Expectations, Miss Havision's story. To enable the students to understand the complexities of human characters, Pips want to become a gentleman and Miss Havision's missed marriage and she has heartbroken situations. Introduction: Great Expectations, Miss Havisham's story. To enable the students to understand the complexities of human characters, Pip want to become a gentleman and Miss Havisham's missed marriage. She is in heartbroken situations. Victorian Literature Part 2, Learning Objectives. To make the students to understand Pip's want to be a gentleman in the novel, to understand Pip's ambition of great expectation, to make the students to Pip's want to become a gentleman, Miss Havisham's missed marriage, to make the students to understand Pip's preparation to go for London, to make the students to understand Havisham is in heartbroken situations. Session's outcome: students will be able to know Pip want to become a gentleman in the novel. The students will be able to explain Pip's ambition of great expectations. Students will be able to describe Pip's secret. Pip wants to be a gentleman. Miss Havisham's missed marriage. Students will be able to express Pip's preparation to go for London. Students will be able to examine the secret of Miss Havisham's heartbroken situation. Contents: Mr. Pocket's qualification, invitation to dinner party at Jagger's residence, a message for Miss Havisham and hope of Pip's heart. There is a moment of suspense when Pip recognizes one of the two convicts. Mr. Pocket's qualifications, Mr. Coiler ate today, rowing on the Thames, miscellaneous matter in this chapter, humor in this character portrayal, Wemmick's invasion to Pip, Wemmick's invitation to Pip, Jaggers at the court, a superfluous a chapter, the element of humor, Pip's intimacy with Herbert, no plot development. The element of humor, invitation to dinner party, the unpleasant created by Drummel's departure from Mr. Pocket's household, more light on Jagger's character, a letter from Biddy about Joe's proposed visit to London, Mr. Wopsle, an actor, a message from Miss Havisham and the hope in Pip's heart, Pip's joyous reaction to the message, humor and pathos in this chapter, Pip's journey to his hometown and his fears, Pip's decision to stay at the town inn rather than at Smithy, Pip's snobbery, a most disagreeable trait, a moment of suspense. There is moment of suspense when Pip recognizes one of the two convicts. So here are some questions. Who invites to Pip? Magwitch, Compeyson, Clara, Wemmick, and the answer is Wemmick. Who is at the court? Pip, Mr. Jaggers, Joe, Herbert Pocket. That is Mr. Jaggers. Where did dinner party arrange? Who arranged the dinner party? At the Jaggers residence, Jagger arranged. At Mr. Compeyson residence, Compeyson arranged. Biddy's residence, Biddy arranged. At Drummel's residence, Drummel arranged. And the answer is at the Jagger's residence, Jagger arranged. Who created unpleasantness to Pip? Drummel, Compeyson, Mr. Jaggers, Joe. That is Drummel. Who wrote a letter to Pip about Joe's proposal to visit London? Biddy wrote the letter, Estella wrote the letter, Joe, Magwitch, and the answer is Biddy wrote the letter. So here are some assignments. First one, write an assignment of great expectations. Catch the character Pip and complexities of human character. Pip wants to become a gentleman and Miss Havisham's missed marriage. She is in heartbroken situation. Discuss the dream of Pip in the novel Great Expectation. So here are the references. Humphrey House, The Dickens World, Dorothy Van Ghent, The English Novel, F.R. Lewis, Dickens, The Novelist, Philip Collins, Dickens and Education, Dickens, In and Crime, Charles Dickens, Great Expectations by Ramji Lal, A Critical Study.